Lawyers for both sides wrapped up their opening arguments in the civil case between advice columnist E. Jean Carroll and former President Donald Trump. Carroll says Trump raped her in a Bergdorf Goodman dressing room in 1996. Trump has denied these claims. Carroll also says he defamed her back in 2022 when he took to Truth Social, calling her a liar and calling the accusation a hoax. Her lawyers say he assaulted her in multiple ways in the dressing room that night, and she told two friends about it. One that night, another in the following days. She says she stayed silent for 20 years. Carroll's lawyers pointed to the notorious Access Hollywood tape as an admission of his behavior. Former President Trump's lawyer Joe Tacopina called it locker room talk. He spent the first part of the statements telling jurors they can hate Trump, but to do it at the ballot box. He called the case a, quote, affront to justice and one that's, quote, abusing the system for money, political reasons, and status that exploits real rape victims. Tacopina says because Carroll never gave a specific date of the assault, Trump doesn't have an alibi. The jury is made up of 6 men and 3 women of varying ages, races, and degrees of education. Carroll's lawyers have a long list of witnesses, including Carroll herself, the 2 friends she supposedly told, 2 Bergdorf Goodman employees, as well as 2 women who say they have similar stories. The former president will not testify. His lawyers say he simply doesn't have more to add. He did give a tape deposition that could be played in place of his testimony.